Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Wall Street's woes are a familiar tale, folks at Voro, and today's no different. Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve Chair, dropped some bombshell comments that sent shockwaves through the market. The Dow Jones Industrial Average plummeted 155.77 points, a 0.34% drop, to 46,137.3. That's right, you heard that right, folks at Voro. We're talking about the big blue chip stocks taking a hit. Now, let's dive into what's going on here. Powell's comments characterized equities as fairly highly valued, which isn't exactly music to investors' ears. And it seems like the market is playing it cautious, as if they're waiting for the Fed to make its next move. The S&P 500 fell 28.83 points, a 0.43% drop, to 6,628.09, while the Nasdaq Composite shed 127.36 points, or 0.56%, to 22,446.11. But here's the thing, folks at Voro, the Fed is in a tough spot. They need to balance the risk of inflation with the signs of a weakening labor market. It's like they're trying to juggle too many balls at once, and it's causing the market to get anxious. The yield on the 10-year Treasury rose to 4.13% from 4.12% late Tuesday, which is a clear sign that investors are getting nervous. Now, let's take a look at some of the other stocks making headlines today. Lithium Americas stock jumped over 98% after reports that the Trump administration was in talks with taking an equity stake in the Vancouver-based mining company as part of a renegotiation of a government loan for a Nevada mining project. That's right, folks at Voro, we're talking about a lithium mine, and it's making waves in the market. On the other hand, Micron Technology stock dropped 1.8% despite reporting better quarterly profit and revenue. And Cintas stock fell 1.8% despite slightly better quarterly earnings. These are just a couple of examples, folks at Voro. There are many more stories like this playing out in the market. But let's not forget about the metals markets, shall we? Gold prices were flat near a record high on Wednesday, while oil prices surged as U.S. crude inventories fell last week. It's a mixed bag, folks at Voro, but that's just the way it is when you're trying to navigate the wild world of finance. So there you have it, folks at Voro, that's the latest from Wall Street. As we always say here, the market can be unpredictable, and today was no exception. But hey, that's what makes it exciting, right? The unknown, the uncertainty, the thrill of the ride. Well, that's all for now, folks at Voro, thanks for tuning in.